So my name is Jere Knechtering. I'm one of the co-founders and the CEO of Klippa. I thought, well, there must be a better way to organize and manage receipts, and that was basically the start of Klippa. But now Klippa is a document digitization company, and we focus on digitizing and automating document streams for companies.
I see the Klippa culture a little bit as being a family.
There's a really friendly and fun and creative vibe here.
Well, it's really relaxed here at Klippa.
I would say energetic.
The reason I joined Klippa is because of the really flat hierarchy. There's a lot of friendly people walking around. You get a lot of responsibilities yourself. There's not somebody else higher up that's telling you exactly how to approach your problem. My favorite team event would be the online escape room.
I'm a big poker fan, so I really liked our poker night.
Probably the go-karting.
The last one, the Crazy 44.
At Klippa we have a team of 20 developers divided in 4 sub-teams. The backend team, which develops in Go. The front-end team, which works mainly in Angular. The machine learning team, they work in Python and they use machine learning libraries like TensorFlow and YOLO. And then we also have the mobile team. They create SDKs and they work mostly for Android and iOS, which is Kotlin and Swift. At Klippa, we believe that you can learn from any colleague. So regardless of their skill level, we let every developer review the code of the other developer so that they can learn from each other.
So Klippa believes that companies should have a responsibility with regards to nature around you. So we actually compensate all the CO2 emissions that our employees do, and also that we as a company do. Next to that, we believe that our company should be very diverse, so we have a place for everybody at Klippa.
I think Klippa is a great place to work if you have passion for what you want to do, if you want to build awesome products.
There's a lot of room for improving yourself. You learn more than on the university.
Here, it's the perfect balance between what skills you already have and what you want to improve and what you want to achieve.
I think we're on a great adventure. It's a super challenging job and you have your team members next to you to help you out.